Oh. Good morning. Our plan today is to extend those culverts right down yonder. I'm gonna see, I'll try to get myself a good angle to dig these. And we gotta reshape this ditch too. Forgot about that. So yeah, we gotta reshape the ditch, extend these culverts on both sides. Then we're gonna armor them with 3-inch and go from there. It's shaped better from the road. It's real easy with those power lines there too. Oh, careful now, careful now.
What? You gotta watch the power lines, man.
Yeah, for free. That's not power, that's communication. So what I'm gonna do is just transfer it to the other side right here and kind of pat it in. Then I'll shape that side. When I get out there, got a big old chunk of concrete out of here. This thumb sucks. Get a little compaction. Got the pipe bent over. I don't know if you can see that over there. Got that barred over. We're going to extend onto it with a coupler. That will give us some flex. Look on the other two. One there and one behind Frank right there. And now I'm just cleaning out the ditch. 4 for it. Oh. Someone wants to get naked. Just kidding, he's not getting naked. Flop it over the other side. Alright, so we're done with what I can do on this side. The reason you're still in here with me, because you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's still pouring rain outside. We're pouring concrete in it too. Crazy. Anyway, I gotta make my way out of here. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit and I will break a chunk of concrete or rip out a chunk of concrete that I broke. Been shoveling his butt off. Look at that. I took off like a little layer off the top. Then Frank went in and just shoveled his butt off.
That's all he does. Takes a little layer off the top and then I have to do the rest.
4 for him. So we made it over here. Show you what I got to cut out. So that's the line where we're going to extend our pipes to. I don't know if you can see in the dirt right there, that little, I don't know why we didn't paint it, but it's whatever. Got to cut that and shape that, slope up to there, try to stay away from that as much as possible. And then we're going to armor this whole thing in 3-inch all the way to that point there. That is the plan. And I am going to hop this trench and then hop to it. Where to start? Where to start? Sit this way a little. Turn this heater down a little. Still gotta watch out for those power lines. This was gonna be a head wall. They're gonna pour a big old concrete doohickey thing, but this power pole right here is in the way. So there goes that. So slowly, I know there's nothing here, but slowly dig my way to me and slope it up. There's the pipe. Got that out of my system. Try not to go too deep. See here. Oh, down in the ditch. Yeah, I like that. I could probably bring my bucket and kind of clean that up a little bit. I don't want to take any off of, see, there. So yeah, that looks all nice and perfect. Clean up that bottom a little bit, toss that big rock over. Oh no, we got to extend them 4 feet. That's right. We have to extend them past this curb. So I got to dig all this out. Thanks for reminding me. I almost forgot. More work for everybody. He's going in. Job dedication right there, everybody. That's it. Get her done. Yeah. Oh. I need a shovel. All right. Got everything all bedded in. Hi. Which is good. But Frank's starting to cry because he's hungry. No. So yeah, we're getting hungry. So we're gonna go eat some lunch. And we'll come back, throw some 3-inch in here, get this armored. After lunch, you can see it's pouring rain. Well, I don't know if you can see how well the rain shows up on camera. We'll make him a little spot. You can throw this 3-inch. Tell him just drop it right here. Got a couple scoops in there already. It's my first time doing something like this, so I am learning. There she is. Not bad for my first time, if I do say so myself. Already got water coming in it. Got that rounded off nicely. So there'll be a part 2 to this madness over here. They want this cut more over here, so I'm going to cut it back a little more and then slope it more towards the sidewalk. That'll give some backfill for the sidewalk, so that'll work out great. But that's going to be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you all enjoyed. I'd like to thank you all for watching. See you next time.